Okay students, this is the last example of the mean. Whatever you can see, this is the last type where it is asked. It is given for the less than type. Same thing, we have to find out a mean. Now here you can see it here, it is given the data that marks obtained. It is given less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60, or it will be given in a symbolic form, but I have written in a symbolic form. But it will given as less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60, so on. And here it will give a number of students. Students, be clear, it is not a frequency. So you can see it here that is given a number of students, that is 14, 22, 37, 58, 67 and 75. You can see it here students, these all are in an increasing order. It means that it is given here in the form of a cumulative frequency. Now we have to convert this cumulative frequency into a normal frequency. How you can know this is a cumulative frequency? You can see it here, all are in increasing order. That's why we can tell not a single number in between is coming in a decreasing and then increasing. So we can tell this is our CF, right? So CF we will convert into a normal frequency, and this is given here in the less than 10, 20, 30, 40. So if you will be clear that if it is given in a less than form and they are giving you the number of students, or they will not mention it this is a CF, but you should be clear that when it is given in increasing order, it is always a CF. Now it is given a less than 10, it is given a 14, means your class interval we have to write. So we can write down our class interval. You will get it here a 0 to 10. Then, or we can write down here a less than 10. We can write down here less than 10. Then we can write down the next one. We are knowing that our lower limit is 10. So we can write down here 10 to 20. Then we can write down here 20 to 30. Then we can write down here 30 to 40. Then 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. Or you can write down here 0 to 10. Then also it will work with your question will come. Then what will be the lower limit here? So we are writing here as a 0 to 10 for our reference, and we will write down now here as a frequency, that is our Fi. As we are knowing here it is a 14, so it will come as the same. And we are knowing when it is asked for cumulative frequency, we are adding one to the other data next one. Here we will subtract it, so we will see it here what we are getting here from the second to first. So 22 minus 14, we will get it here 8, so we will write down here 8. Then we will say 37 minus 22, we are getting here a 15, so we will write down here a 15. Then 58 minus 37, so we can see it here, whatever we will subtract it, we will get it here what, 58 minus 37, we will get it here a 21. Then we can subtract here 58, 67 minus 58, so 9, and 75 minus 67, so here 8. Now we will see it here by adding it if we are getting or not. 8 plus 4 12, 17, 18, 9, 27 and 8, 27, 35. So we carry on 5 is there, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 7. So whatever we are getting here n, we are getting here of 75. It means at the end we are getting a 75. So whatever we are getting a addition by making a CF into a frequency by subtracting it from second to first, third to second, then fourth to third, then fifth to fourth, and sixth to fifth. By previous one we have to subtract it, and here nothing is there, so we have written a 14 minus 0, then 14. So this way we are getting here a frequency, and if we can edit here all this frequency, we are getting here a 75. If you can see, check it by taking it here, what getting here what, 75. The same thing we are getting here. So our answer, whatever we have find a frequency, that is a right. Now next our step is what, we have to find a class mark, that is your Xi. So if we can do 0 to 10, then class mark 5, then we can do 15, then 25, then 35, then 45, then 55. Though these numbers are very big, again we will convert into assume mean method, because when we can multiply it, these numbers will come very big. So what we will do it, we will do assume mean and we will convert it, right? So we will write down here at the last whatever we will assume. For now I am assuming here a 25. In previous one I have assumed here for the fourth one, I am assuming here for the third. This is our A. So I will write down here a di equals to xi minus A. Now what is my xi and what is my A that I am knowing it here? Your A is here a 25. So 5 minus 25, you will get here a minus 20 for a less than 10 or 10 to 0 to 10. Then here we will do it here, 15 minus 25, so minus 10. Then again we will do it 25 minus 25, so 0. Then again 35 minus 25, 10. Then 45 minus 35, then it will come here a 20. Then here 55 minus 45, so here we will come as a, what we will see it here, sorry, it will be coming according to the order. If you can 10, 20, and here if you can see it here, we will get here a 30. Now here for reference, because we don't have a place, I have written here, if for my reference I can write down here a fi also, and I can write down here a class interval, whatever it is given, means whatever I have find out a class, because I have to find a fi di, so I am writing here what I have to write down it, and total is given here a 75. So fi I will write down it for my reference. So here is a 14, 8, 15, 21, 9 and 8, whatever here it is written, that one same thing I have written, and for my reference I have written here. So you have to, then if you have a table, then you can write down at the side. I don't have a place, so I have written here. So here now I will find out here fi di. 14 2s are 28, so here minus 280, then minus 80, then here 0, then here 210, then 180, and then 240. So again I will do it by finding it sigma fi di. Students, now you are knowing it how you have to find out it. I will add it this 2, that minus minus, and this 3. So here it will come a minus 360 by adding it 280 and 80. If I am adding here, so it will come a 0, 8, 4, 12 and 113, 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 6. So it is coming a 630. Now 630 minus 360, I will get it here a 270. So I will write down a 270, and greater sign for the 630 is plus, so I am writing here plus 270. So same formula I will use it here to find out it. So I will use it at same one, because I have used assume min method. So x bar equals to a plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi. A sigma fi or n is here given as a 75. The same thing I will take it here. My a assumed, I have assumed as a 25. So I will write down here equals to 25 plus fi di is 270 upon sigma fi is 75. So by my way I can subtract it. If I will get it here, whatever it is, that I will write down it. 5 15s are, then I will do it here, 5 5s are 25, 54. If I am again subtracting here, what I am getting here by decimal form, I will get it here 54 and 15. 15 4s are 60, 15 3s are 45, then it will be a 9 0 0, 15 6 are 90. So I am getting here a 3.6. So 25 plus 3.6, because here is a plus sign greater number, so it will come a plus sign here. So 25 plus 3.6, we will get a 28.6. That is your answer for a less than type series.